they still wearing Halloween costumes? Don't they know that Halloween is over? Yeah. Halloween is over, guys. It's past Christmas, too. You need to be wearing February stuff. But, well, I mean, I'm not, but that's because I'm Squishy Cat. I have a right to. So, yeah. Let's get this started. Let's see what... 30 more seconds. Welcome back, guys. I just had to do it. I just had to pause it real quick. Because, I mean, it will take too long. You don't want to be sitting there too long. Man, I suck at this. So yeah, if you want to join me and make like a YouTube channel, you just have to tell me in the comments below. So yeah. See a chest in here? Is there? If there is. Okay. Oh god, no. Nobody wants to go in there. Oh god. Just run, people, run. Run this way. Those people are dumb. They probably already got killed. I don't have anything. Just leave me. I absolutely have nothing. I have nothing whatsoever. Oh gosh, parkour. Or hardcore, I should say. Suck at it. Dude, just let me get it. Please. Why can I not get up here? No. Oh god. No. Oh god, it's okay. I hit him. No, it's the best strategy in the world. Yeah, so I might have some other people come and do the YouTube channel with me. Why am I so slow? Oh, that's right. But for right now, it is just me and Garrett. So, yeah. Garrett's not on here right now. The only one. So yeah, popular MMOs and super girly gamer. If y'all see this video, please like. Because I literally am just about to post this. So yeah. Good. Just don't smash your face in it. I don't want you to break anything. And I'm not copyrighting you. Popular MMOs. Just saying. Are you kidding me? Worst luck ever. There's like nothing. Oh my gosh. Did you just see that guy? Nope. Mine. Please, mine. Mine. Need this stuff. Oh god. Oh. 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 Oh god. Breezy Islands, anymore. There's one down here. Or Breezy Islands. 2, I think. Yeah. No! Not this one again! Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, there's still stuff from people. So yeah. I just jammed my pinky yesterday, so it's gonna be pretty hard. That's why it's really hard for me to get stuff. But, oh my gosh, how did they get stuck in the same thing? But when I play Minecraft with Gary, it's gonna be easier because we're playing on the PlayStation 4. And I really am hoping that his parents actually do get the new Star Wars game. So yeah. Oh my god. No, please, nobody spawn in here. Please. No. Are you kidding me? Who is it? Who spawned it? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna kill her instantly. It worked. Hi. My chest. Oh, there's nothing really good in it. Oh, somebody took the helmet. You can't even use cakes in this. Shit, MVP. God. It's so weird. Everybody like scatters as soon as they like find. As soon as everybody gets something, they literally scatter. Like everywhere. So it's really, really weird. Oh, jackpot. I know gold sucks, but guys, it's the only thing I can literally get. And it's good enough for me. Oh gosh, they're going to the ship too. Is that the Pirates of the Caribbean ship? Just from one of the episodes. Oh god, it's right there. I'm gonna have to kill her. Sorry. Are you kidding me? No, she got there first. Oh no. I'll have to eat. Oh god. Not eat in real life, like eating Minecraft. She's just waiting there, waiting. Are you kidding me? I just literally lost my gold sword. No. No. I know I'm the best at combat, sort of. Not really. I never knew that you could do that. I never knew that you can't get past ladders. Just waiting there, waiting there. Just waiting for me, aren't you? Marlica. Or Marlica. I can't say her name, so don't judge. Oh gosh, she commits suicide. Just like, commit suicide. Oh yes, the chest. Mine. Yay. Oh my god, jackpot. Jackpot. This. Are you kidding me? Oh, yes. Oh, I lost my bow. Kidding me. I must have gone all the way back to the chest. Let me see. Yeah, went back to the chest. I just literally hope that nobody will come up here. But, yeah. Gonna do this. Oh, and yeah, I just started the Squishy Guy YouTube. So yeah, please like. Not for the money. I'm only just doing it to be a little famous. 'Cause, I mean, I'm not famous at all at school. Like, everybody hates me. Besides my friends. Break. No. Break. Break. Yes. Passed it. Got to do it. No, God. Eat in the water. Soggy hot potatoes. Oh, you can't. Forgot. I should have went the other way. Because now it's going to take forever. So, I'm going to have to stop right here because I'm running out of time. So, yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you subscribe and like.